Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. Phone and TV must share the same Wi-Fi network so they can talk. Open the streaming or casting app on your phone now, because once the app is active, you'll see the cast icon. Make sure the TV is set to the correct input or that the streaming dongle is awake. This makes discovery immediate. If prompted, accept pairing or permissions on both devices, and you'll be set to initiate the first connection. Once done with prerequisites, tap the Cast or AirPlay button inside the app and choose your TV from the list. You'll know it worked when the player shows the TV name. Adjust playback quality and subtitles on your phone so streaming uses appropriate bandwidth, because higher bitrate uses more Wi-Fi. If the app doesn't support casting, mirror your screen, but be aware latency can increase. Make sure audio routes correctly. Use TV speakers or a paired sound. Start the movie and watch controls move to the TV. You can still use your phone to pause, seek, or change subtitles. If casting drops, first stop and restart the app, then toggle Wi-Fi on your phone. This resets discovery quickly. Make sure router and TV are within good range and close other high bandwidth apps. That fixes buffering. If all else fails, reboot the TV or streaming dongle and check for firmware updates, because outdated firmware often breaks casting compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.